toothbrush. Linis siya guys. So simple lang siya. First, and then may cabinet. Yung cabinet. Yan.
Ay, may pang-refat ako doon sa
Nag-vlog ako guys. Cabinet. Okay, let's close it. And meron din siyang lagayan. So parang pwede namin siya lagay ng mga foods dito pag ano. Tsaka sa baba din. At ito yung bed. Yung bed, maniliit lang siya guys. Pwedeng dalawa or isa lang. So apat kami. And fortunately, wala yung isa.
Fortunate.
and there's a lamp.
Akala ko unfortunate.
Then yan yung window. And then there's fridge, small fridge. Let's see what's inside. Nothing. So
Ganyan din, naghanap ako ng ganyang kaliit na fridge.
kaya nga. And then we have the TV here. And this vanity mirror ang tawag dito, diba? So there's a mirror. Hi! Yan. Lagay namin na. May water sila, dalawa lang ang water.
Hindi tayo makakapunta.
Pero may water naman ako.
Kasi walang
And this is outside the room.
sa terrace pala.
Yay! Look at that. It's nice. So the whole room looked like this. There's AC here, only one AC. So let's see the hallway. This is the hallway. That is the hallway going here. Say hi.
Hi. Welcome to Ratanakiri.
Yay!
Yay! Enjoy your trip.
And this is the other hallway. What room is this? 505.
Hi. The best room, teacher.
Oh. Welcome to 505 room.
Yes.
And there's a door here. There's a door here. Oh my god. Can I open here? Yeah, so nice. Say welcome to Ratanakiri.